Growing organically comes with its challenges, but it's so worth it. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of your garden the natural way. Companion plant. Planting things like nasturtiums, the sacrificial plants, or onions and chives to mask the scent of carrots is a really good way of stopping pests from getting to your precious vegetables. Feed the soil. If your soil is healthy, your plants will grow strongly and they'll be much more resilient to pests and diseases. Crop rotation. Pests and disease can build up in the soil, so if you keep moving your crops around the garden, they're less likely to suffer from the same diseases and pests year on year. Encourage predators into your garden to keep numbers of pests down. Take out insurance. Sometimes we have to accept that we are going to lose a couple of crops. So if we take out insurance by planting a few extras, we should be just fine. Growing potatoes is a dangerous business. These little green fruits that look a little bit like tomatoes, don't be tempted to eat them. They're poison. Green potatoes, when exposed to light, don't be tempted to eat these either. They're also poison.